My name is Janet Scott, and I've been a Kentucky Humanities Chautauqua presenter for over a decade. This is an exciting and vital time for Kentucky Humanities. Today's historians are asking new questions and seeking new answers to old questions. Kentucky Humanities Chautauqua program provides a platform in real time where history and imagination collide to offer a vision, as Mary Breckinridge might say, to look far, far beyond the mountaintops, to see all the world's children safe and healthy and happy. Happy birthday, Kentucky Humanities, with best wishes for a future where your impact will continue to be dramatic.